Hey everyone, Corey from AquariumCoop.com. Unfortunately, I'm out of town, so Jimmy is gonna do this one. Hopefully he does well.
I'm Jimmy from Aquarium Co-op, and I'm gonna do the unboxing today. Corey's not here, he's in Hawaii. And grab your popcorn, let's see what's in these boxes. Box numero 10. Oops, oops. All right. First one of the day. L46 Zebra Pleco. Hypensistrus zebra. Pretty cool. Very cool, actually. They probably sold out during the Black Friday sale. Another one. L46. I'm hoping I do this right. Oh, let's see what these in these little baggies. Looks like about a very nice one. I like that one. I like that one. I just may have to take it home. Oh, I've seen these colors before. Very beautiful. Beautiful. L46. Ooh. We got so many. How many more could there be? L204. Pinstripe Panac. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. Let's see. L183. This guy seems to be pretty good condition. Blue Sea Mancistrus. Let's see here. L183. Another Blue Sea Mancistrus. Ancistrus. Alright. Looks like a gold nugget pleco. L118. Or L18. 018. Not 118. Actually, he looks pretty neat. I wonder if Corey will mind if I take him home. I like it. I like it. Let's see what we have here. A blue turquoise discus. Symphysidon aquifasciatus. I think. Don't quote me on that. Another blue turquoise discus. I love discus. I love them. Love them. There's perfect water here for them too. I like it a lot. Ooh, flamingo guppies. Seem to be doing pretty good. No floaters. Very hardy. Hardy, hard. Cobalt discus. You look pretty good, mister. Or missus. We got another cobalt discus. They're coming in pretty good. Well, I'm gonna have to shoot the macros on these, so we'll see. We'll see what they look like in their tanks. Blue turquoise discus. And lots of plecos, so this box came from the Amazon. Cobalt discus, and that's the last one for this box. So let's move on to box numero, wait for it, 2. A lot of people like the sounds of these bags, so there you go. Freebie. Roseline sharks. Small. Looking good. Not too colored up. Oh, dripping water everywhere. But wait until they get into the tanks. I'll get a shot of them. You guys can enjoy them there. Next up, more Roseline sharks. I'm doing the Corey voice. Taco. Taco's for everybody. Rainbow snakeskin guppies. Looking good. Looking very good. Alright, dwarf chain loaches. I think these are the pseudomogule, or not pseudomonkey. Pseudomogule. Nope, those are the rainbows. Next up we have more snakeskin guppies. These are the males. Focus. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Looks like we have a bag of Panagars that has been leaking. There's a lot of water in there. We gotta get these guys saved. Jimmy, can you come grab this? I'm usually the one that saves them. By the way, supposedly these guys eat a lot of blackbeard algae, so give it a try. I think they're very cool. They spawn during the wet season, I believe. And they don't get that big. They don't get that big. A great alternative to the hillstream roaches. Let's see here. Apistogramma agassizii opal? Maybe? I'm not sure if that's agassizii, but I thought the opals were borellii or something. Anyways, these are opals. There's 10 of them in there. And I think there's a lot of apistogrammas inside this package. If not the next packages. Cabotii. Cabotii? Looking good. I think these are the green something. Green neons? No. No. Green fire? Well, we'll see. I'll put the label down right there so you can see it. Super red severums. Ooh, these are a rarity around these parts. These guys look pretty happy. They look like they got chicken pox. But that's how they look like, and when they grow up, they look super cool. Another koi quote, super cool. Stay. Come on. L128 small. The blue phantom pleco. Where are they? There they are. There's 2 of them in here. Seems like, yep, 2. 2, we got 2. And that's it for this one. Let's move on to the next one. Let's roll. Behind door number 3. I already took the rubber band off because it was a good one. Let's see. Small bag? Big bag? Small bag. African dwarf frogs. Looks like they're squirmy. Put it right next to the heat bags here. Don't fall off. There you go. Assorted guppies. I never do macro shots for these. I don't know why. I think it's because you guys already know what assorted guppies look like. Let's see here. This is a big one. Purple neons. 12 of them. These look really cool when they're colored up and under the right light. You can really see the purple. So these are pretty big too. Get them while they're purple. Corydoras sturbii. The sturbies corydoras. Got 9 of them in here. They're very spotty. They have little orangey like fins. Very cool looking. And one of my favorite sturbies. Easily. Coming in good. Coming in hot. These are not the taco devouring ones. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, this looks really bad. Gotta go fishing here. And seems to be nothing in there. Justin, help! Bring this to Robert. Robert, 911.
911.
911, Robert. Here you go. Thank you. Let's get back to this unboxing. All right. We got his friends here. More black moors. Actually, the other ones were, looks like orandas. But here's some black moors. 4 of them. This is how they should come. Green neon tetras. These are like the hardest to film. They're so small. And I just sold my macro lens, so this is gonna be a tough one. But let's get a good shot of them here. There you go. Just in case I don't film them later on. You saw what they look like there. Brigite raspora, the chili raspora. I love how red some of these guys are. compared to their counterparts. They are all over the place right now. Looking good, looking good. All right. More Curry? I'm hungry. Corydoras sterbies. I'm gonna start calling them a Corydoras. Apistogramma cockatoides, super red. They are super red, no lie. 12 of them in here. Look at the fins on those. They look really good. Look at that angle. Sweet. Sweet apples. Siamese algae eaters. I do that. All right. Yeah, this box is really warm compared to the others. There might be something good in here. I smell a puffer. Ooh, South Amazon puffers. Is this South Amazon? Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Great looking puffers. They're all looking good. Handsome little guys or girls. Stay. What else we got? More South American puffers. Did I say South Amazon? I don't know. I don't know. Pretty sure they're South American. Let's take a look. Yep, South American. Corydoras pygmaeus. The taco eating Cory. 50 of them in here. Also some free substrate. Cool beans. Cool garbanzos. Alright, what do we have? Apistogramma agassizii fire red. Ooh, these guys are fire. Look at that guy. Look at that one right there on the right. Wow. Justin, do you have any apistogrammas?
Me, of course.
You do? This one is sweet. No, the fire. Look at that one on the left.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's got a great color.
Really good. I need him. Autocinkless. Not much to be said about these guys. They live with almost every fish. And they eat a lot of algae. And if you're lucky enough, you get them to spawn. Apistogramma cockatoides, orange flash. Cockatoides? Every time I say apistogramma, I want to say histogramma. And if you're a photographer, you know what histograms are. I'm a nerd. Apistogramma agassizii double red. Looking good. All right, just want to tell you guys, shirts came in. Remember to order your shirts and you get a free bottle of Easy Green. Or is it the other way around? One of those. Make sure you order. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's still one more bag in here. It's clear. Cynodontis lucipennis. The dwarf petricola. These guys swim like little tiny sharks. My favorite catfish. One of my favorite catfish. Look at that. Sharks. Dun dirt. Dun dirt. Dun dirt. Dun dirt. All right, on to the next box. We got one more to go. And I'm out of here. All right, let's go. Last box. And for support, Justin from Aquarium Co-op. He's repping that shirt today. Right? Repping this shirt today. Sweet. All right, I know for a fact this one has some good fish because I read the list and we were missing some from earlier. So, Norman eye killie, the lamp eye killifish. Yep. Blue eyes that you can see from across the room. Like they just stare into your soul. They really do. 24 of them. Looking pretty good. Next. Ooh, Suelas. We have reticulated hillstream loaches. We have 12 of them, and they're all stuck to the bag. These are like little stingrays, for those of you that Can't keep stingrays. Definitely can keep those. Very hardy. Hardy hard. Ooh, wigglers. Coolie loaches. So gross. I'll save that big bag for last. Let's go with the small ones. Ooh, L183, the blue stream, the blue seam ancestress. That looks pretty cool. I like those guys. I do. Pea puffers. What do you think of these guys?
Crazy adorable.
Crazy adorable. Crazy cute. Oh man. I just want to like do like a tank with like 10,000 of these. Next up, Congo tetras. These get sold pretty fast. Like these come in all the time, so they must get sold left and right. I like these, and there's also albino Congo tetras. They also look sweet apples. Siamese algae eaters. Womp womp. All right, last up. You guys ready for this? Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm gonna get fired. Clown loaches. Holy moly. Look at the size of these guys. I'm shaking because they're heavy. Oh. Oh man, those are big. I wonder if he's taking these home. Yeah, these are ginormous. Anyways, that's the end of the unboxing. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna edit this video. Okay, bye.